Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a washing machine video on my GE appliance. I am going to be washing towels. I already have the towels added in there, and then I added one of these Tide Pods at the bottom. You're going to want to put them down there at the bottom before you add everything. Okay, so we'll check the water level. I have it on auto. A lot of people in my other washing machine videos, I guess, like a lot of water, so you can adjust it if you like. I do my stuff on cold, and then there is a towel setting, but I just like the quick wash. And something that's really cool about this machine is there's an extra spin so that it's easier for them to dry in the dryer. I don't use fabric softener on towels, so I don't need to do a deep rinse. And then I'm not going to add a soak here. So all you do is, and it starts. And that's it, guys. Super easy to use. If you guys need more how-to videos on this washing machine, be sure to give me a follow and let me know down in the comments what you need me to show you how to do.